In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to set up an eBay template using our platform. eBay templates can boost your chances of selling on eBay by up to 39%. They help your product stand out and build trust with potential buyers. So when you're actually on the AdLister dashboard, simply click Design Templates under the eBay Designs menu. I've got 3 I've created before. You can create as many listing templates as you would like, and all you do is click Create Design, and I'm just going to show you how to do this using the template builder. Click the blue plus link and you get a series of templates that you can use that are off the shelf. And I'm going to create a Black Friday one today, so I'm going right down to the bottom here. Got three of these, but I'm going to just choose this one here, and it automatically loads the template onto the screen. On the left hand side, you've got your list of elements that you can add to your template. So you might add a second image or another heading if you want to. I'm just going to use the template that's been set up for me. So I want to change this logo here. You can, if you want to, just simply link your image from your existing eBay shop if you want to. But I'm going to replace this. So it's going to automatically load up the AdLister image library. Now, if you've just signed up, you're probably not going to have any folders in here. So you can simply create a logo folder if you want to by doing that down here, or you can literally directly add the logo into the main folder. So I'm going to click in here because here's one I've got already. So if you wanted to, you could choose files, select it from your local machine and upload it. I'm going to choose the body shop logo, select the item, and you can see automatically it's assigned it to my template. And if I'm happy with that, I can click Done Editing, and that has now saved my template so far. Next, I'm going to change the homepage heading because I prefer to use the terminology store. So as you can see, it brings up the menu structure. I can literally just change this to store. And if I wanted to, I could change the URL. This is just a test one that we put in there, but you can change that to your store. So when you click on it, it would go directly to your store. Because obviously this will be a listing page. So I've done that. If I wanted to change the banner, I could do. I can click on Edit here, and you can see if I wanted to say 25%, I could click Edit, download the graphic, change the text, save it. Make sure you upload it back into AdLister because obviously this is where it's been stored with your 25%, and then you could select it. You might need to save the template, go back out, come back in again because you're doing a little bit of graphical work. But I'm quite happy with that. Links you can link, so if they click on the listing template banner, you may want to take them to a category page showing all the Black Friday products. Please be aware, do not send them to your website because obviously eBay would ban you for that. So it needs to be a eBay page that you're sending them to, and alt text is obviously the mouse over text when you or the customer mouses over the banner. As I continue to scroll down, you can see these fields here with the double brackets. These are where, like, the gallery will obviously show the images there when you add them to your products page. The title would be the product's title. The price bin would be the eBay price that you're selling it for. So you don't want to change these. Of course, if you want to, you can move them around, but I'm totally happy with that. And as I continue down, you can see I've got this tab section here. So if I click Edit, you can see on the left-hand side, it's showing me this is a preset tab. I can, if I want to, move these around. So maybe you want to put delivery before payment, so I can just drag it up here, click Save, and you can see that's moving over here. And I'll show you later on where you can change these values. So you add your text, and it will add to all your listings. Again, there's another banner here. If you want to remove it, you can do. And similar items. This is great upsell feature that highlights your other products that you want to show off. So it gives you more control and prevents eBay really from selling or displaying competitors' other products when it's your listing. And then finally, we've got another banner here saying 50% off. Again, you can change this, you can see on the left-hand side if you want to. And we've got the About Us. And again, you can change the text here from the lorem ipsum if you want to say, we are a supplier of clothing for sportswear. Okay, click save. So once I'm happy with my template, I can preview it if I want to. So I can choose a product and I can click preview, and you'll be able to see it as I scroll down, so you can see where the title has been replaced. Here's my images. There's the price. There's the description. I haven't put in my related products yet, so that's why they're saying no listed products found, but I'm happy with that. And I can look at the mobile if I want to as well. So we can see that it's a mobile template too, so I'm more comfortable with that. So I go back to our builder and I click save. Once I've saved my template, we're brought back into eBay Designs Design Templates. You can see there's my template that we've just been working on. And now I want to assign it to a few of my live listings. So first of all, we need to assign the template to a listing template. You can see I've got two here already. I'm going to clone this one here. I'm just going to clone it. The reason why I'm going to clone it is because it'll copy over a lot of the items automatically for me. So I'm going to clone it. And then once you click on apply, it'll automatically drop me into the section. And I'm going to call this Black Friday template. And I'm going to choose my new design because that's what I've called it. There's options here, obviously, to set it up as a fixed price, dispatch times. These are all nice, quick things you can do with your listings. And there's a whole bunch of things you can do down here, but I'm just going to click save. So I click on products and I'm going to click on this reflective high vis running safety vest, and I'm going to list on eBay. And as you can see, it's going to come up with my 3 different templates. I'm interested in the Black Friday one. So I click Black Friday. I can say it's got a quantity of 2, and I'm not going to put any promotions on. I'm just going to post to eBay. And that is how easy it is to assign your listing template to a brand new product. And there you go. The item is live. And I can view the listing by clicking on here. And there you go. How easy was that? And there you go. I've got another related product down there as well. There's my About Us that I changed. And if I click on store, it would load up my shop page. That's how you easily do it to a non-live product. If I want to change this one, so this one, I view this one currently. This one is loading up a different template. Look, here you go. And I'm going to just very quickly show you how you can revise this live listing. So all I got to do is find the SKU. I'm going to copy my SKU, go to my listings. Here it is. I'm going to say all you have to do is reassign the template. And this is great because for this example, it's got Black Friday there. And I'm going to say revise, have to reassign. And then that's going to go off and the job is being running now. And within a few seconds, this will be also updated as well. So that shows you that you can use the listing templates very, very easily for Christmas, for Halloween, for Valentine's Day, for anything you want to do, but you don't have to end the item. So you don't have to panic about losing any sales history. It'll update for you automatically, which is exactly what you want. So once the job has ended, I can click on the eBay logo and hey presto, my listing has changed to the Black Friday. So it's very, very quick and simple. And you can do that. You could, if all these items were different, I could do it in one sweep, 4 listings, 5 listings, 1,000. Very, very, very easy to replace your design. If you do have any queries or you need some additional help, you can find our phone number at the top right hand corner of AdLister, 01212851052. We do have live chat, and you can also book a demonstration for any sort of walkthroughs if you want us to help you. If you need any bespoke designs built for eBay, we can certainly help you as well. So please do give us a call. Thank you.